No, I don't want to be picked up again.
I'm not going to pick him up. I was just going to take him.
You're both
I don't feel safe.
on the right side of quirky.
You're the perfect blend of serious and silly. Quite simply, you're my favourite human.
I love you. I love us. I love our life, our family, and our silly dog. I promise to hold that love in everything I do, in every thought, in every action.
And that's why her and Adam get on so well together, as she's the most creative person. Both very creative. Which other couple designed everything here today, put on this and everything? Both love music and both recognise the value of family.
There we go. We've done it.
But I really believe that people we surround ourselves with shape the lives that we live. I just want to acknowledge all the other great love of our lives, all of you.
Both of us want to say we're truly honoured to be celebrating with you all today. You are all our favourite humans. You're really good. You're really great. We love you all.
And then you get the pictures out, but I'm on the poppy one. So if we put an old
A couple of years ago, Jen entered Adam's story. I first met Jen at Adam's request for fish and chips in Tynemouth on the seafront. They'd only been dating for a month, and already Adam wanted to move next door. On first meeting her, I could see why it worked. Adam and Jen's dynamic is so strong because they truly understand the core of each other. And also, Jen tolerates the endless bike parts that are scattered around the house.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers,
cheers.
Hope it goes well.
To brand new sauna hats. We're nearly a kilo each. And they're impossible to walk in, but they do make me look great. Get the tie on the head, yeah?
Yeah, that's definitely happening. Jen brings joy, fun, and outstanding banter. Since meeting her, I've felt welcomed into her life and her circle.
We've had a nice morning. We had such a nice morning. That's so good. Amy and Lucy were just saying how relaxed everyone is. So I was like, yeah, but we are. Yeah.
Looking around, it's plain to see that she has a wealth of friendships, and it speaks volumes of her warmth and her loving nature.
Oh my goodness.
Jen's such a warm, funny, kind and incredibly organised person, and I think perfectly balanced for Adam's dynamic personality. You genuinely bring out the best in each other.
You bring out the best in me. Around you, I feel calm, I feel warm, but most of all, I feel at home.
You've taught me patience, the art of enjoying the present, and how to brew a really good coffee. Love is knowing if I had the choice to, I wouldn't change a thing.
I'll never ask you to be more than you can be. or more than you are.
Through the fast and slow, through the push and pull, I vow to keep choosing you. I promise to always make our smallest days feel like the greatest of adventures.
I promise to be there for every solstice, with you forever.